what's your current strategy for optimizing your product images on Amazon? Have you found any particular image style or formats to be more effective than others? It really depends when you're doing the product research, when you're searching that keyword, who is showing up, what type of images do they have, and can you do it better? Look at their reviews. See if anyone left complaints in their reviews. I didn't know it had this, or this wasn't detailed enough, or the sizing was off, or whatever it is. And see what information you could add based off of the negative. And then also look at the positives. Oh, I also used it as this. Here's another use for it. Try to think of what you can do, why people are buying it. Try to think of other reasons that people are buying it or what makes them happy. Even the word frequency. They give you the word frequency on the reviews where they'll tell you this word was used this many times. This word was used great for parties. Do you have an image that says great for parties or whatever it is? Things like that. The main thing is it has to look good. It has to look, actually, take that back. It has to look great. You have to compare it to your best competitors and say, is my image better than theirs? Or at least on the same level. I wish I didn't even say that part, because a lot of times people will say, yeah, my image is good. My image is good. Forget the same level. Is your image better than your competitors? It has to be an amazing image. Most people, when they show me their listing, they do not have good images. It looks like they took it with their iPhone. When the customer searches the word on Amazon, when they search that search term, they're gonna click into your image. They're gonna see the image and see, okay, you know what? I'm gonna click into this listing. If the image does not bring them in, if it's not a sick, beautiful image, they're not gonna click into it, and you lose. So always invest in first of all, good photographers and making sure that you have beautiful images. And you just have to do the research. A lot of times I like to A/B test things. I like to ask people on PickFu or just in my own team or my friends, family, what do you think about this image or this image? And I'll just tally up the counts, make a vote. Definitely do a good job with the image, compare it to the best sellers, try to do better than them.